Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So nowadays you have noticed like whenever you post something in Instagram stories or a reels, you will get this option as label as made with AI. Okay, so what is this option is about? I will tell you in this video. See, as we know there is both positive side and a negative side, the use of AI. Okay, so as per this update what Instagram want, so the first thing is Instagram is contributing with lots of AI organization company. They are working with them so that whenever someone is posting something in Instagram, Facebook or a thread, Instagram can detect or the okay, this image is generated by AI even if you are not mentioning that. Okay, so Instagram will know this automatically. Okay, this is a AI generated image, this is a AI generated audio. So in this way they are giving this option to enable this. Okay, so with the help of, if you are enabling this, people will see your post as this, like it will show your audience. So the main aim of this feature is like your audience should be clear, this is not a original content, this is not a original audio, this image or this audio is generated by using AI website. So to keep everything clear, Instagram want these things. So let me know what you think about this new feature. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.